high because in my soul's called Teacher's Corner. So I'm so happy to be with you today. Teacher's Corner, and I'm gonna make the cake batter. I'm gonna make some cake batter, so I'm gonna pour it in right now. I don't have enough food to put all of it in, so I'm just gonna do this, and we're gonna pause the video for 1 second. You always want to peel it to help you if you make cake, because you might spill it. So I'm gonna put the oil in, and now I'm gonna put the water in, and the next ingredient I'm gonna put in is the egg. So 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. So that's how many eggs you want to put in. You always don't want to put the cell in, so be careful. Because I always make an accident every time I make eggs. So this is the last egg, and you want to hit it really hard. Yeah, did your hands dirty? So now, yeah, so if you have dogs and you don't want them to eat the egg, this is actually confetti cake, so I actually really like confetti cake, but my grandma does not like my confetti cake. Actually does not like confetti cake, but she doesn't really need to have some. She doesn't want. So now I'm gonna pour this in, and you really want to be really careful, just it might spill at the edge. So now I'm gonna do it. Now you open up the oven carefully, and then you take this. You don't want to touch any of the parts in the oven. You scoot it in, and then you shut the oven. So now I'm going to spread this all out on the cake, like really crazy. I love speakers, so I'm going to go a bombless fast. Chocolate bar. It's my mom's cake, and I made it special for her, so hopefully my mom likes it, because this is a cake to serve everybody. Thanks for watching Cantor's Totem. Peace aside. The end.